You've seen the ads, right? Whop and Skool popping up everywhere. You're probably wondering which one is actually better in 2025. And if I'm being honest, they're both incredible platforms, but for completely different reasons. That's what I'm going to break down for you today. I'm not here for fluff. I'm cutting through the marketing noise to give you the raw pros and cons for both. No BS, so you can pick the platform that genuinely fits what you're building. And yeah, if you want to try them out after this, the first two links in the description will get you a free trial for either one. You're welcome. Let's get real. When you're picking a platform for your course community, what do you actually need? You need something easy to use for both you and your members, right? You need strong community features to keep people engaged, not just ghosting you after week one. And obviously, you need smooth payment processing and a clear path to scale without having to pull your hair out. Both Whop and Skool tick all these boxes, but trust me, they go about it in widely different ways. It's like both promise a vacation, but one takes you to a resort and the other throws you into survival camp. Just kidding, mostly. Let's talk user experience. Skool, think minimalist and elegant. It's super clean, fast, and thankfully pretty distraction-free. It feels like a smart blend of Facebook group and a teachable course. If you're a course creator, this is designed for you. Structured modules, progress tracking, and your community all in one neat little package. It's simple, it works. Whop, on the other hand, feels more like Shopify Net Discord. It's built to sell. It screams marketplace. If your main gig is selling access to additional products or gated content, Whop makes the entire transaction feel seamless. It's not as course native in the traditional sense. You can definitely host content, but it excels more for downloadable resources, member dashboards, or linking to tools like Notion or Gumroad. It's less about the classroom and more about the storefront. Now for the juicy bits. Where does the community actually live? And how easy is it to get paid? When it comes to community hosting, Skool shines. It has that forum-style layout, gamification with points and levels that actually work, and notifications that bring people back. It's built for real engagement. Whop integrates with Discord. This can be amazing for high-energy real-time chat, but if you value organization over constant chatter, Discord can quickly become a chaotic mess. So you decide if that level of active is worth the potential headache. But wait, this is where Whop absolutely dominates. Whop has built-in payment processing, affiliate tools, coupons, analytics, even a marketplace where new users can discover your offerings. It's explicitly built to help you sell and scale. It's your all-in-one sales machine. Skool is a bit more limited in that sense. You'll need to use a third-party checkout tool like Thrivecart or Stripe, then manually connect to new members. It's extra steps, and nobody likes extra steps. Skool is intentionally limited in customization. They want every group to look and feel similar. That's their less is more philosophy. Whop gives you far more room to brand, customize your storefront, create multiple products, and manage members exactly how you want. If you want your platform to reflect your brand, Whop gives you the reins. When it comes to support, both platforms are decent. No horror stories here, mostly. Skool's team is small but active, and their community forum is surprisingly helpful. People actually answer your questions there. Whop's support is pretty fast, and they're constantly pushing out updates. They're definitely more aggressive when it comes to rolling out new features. They just don't sit still. The elephant in the room. What's this gonna cost you? At the time of this recording, Skool is a flat $99 a month. One plan, all features, simple, no surprises. Whop, on the other hand, charges a small fee per transaction, usually around 5 to 10%. But crucially, no upfront monthly cost. You can literally get started for free and pay only as you earn. So if you're just dipping your toes in, Whop lets you do that without opening your wallet first. So after all of that, which platform should you actually go with? Well, here's the deal. If you're building multiple digital products, managing complex memberships, want to sell on autopilot, or need the flexibility to really scale and customize your entire ecosystem, then Whop is hands down the better choice. It's built for that aggressive multi-product sales-first approach. But if your primary focus is a structured course and your main goal is to build a tight-knit community around it, then Skool is your way to go. It's clean, it's simple, and it works beautifully right out the box for that specific purpose. And remember, you don't have to just take my word for it. I've left links to all of these directly in the description below, so you can try them out for free and see which ones truly fit your vibe.